Unlock the transformative power of Stoicism. Discover 3 profound reasons why this ancient philosophy can revolutionize your life. Watch until the end and discover the key to unlocking your true potential through Stoicism. This isn't just philosophy, it's a roadmap to a fulfilling life. In the shadows of human history, a philosophy was born that promises not just knowledge but a blueprint for living. Stoicism, an ancient doctrine, teaches the art of resilience, self-control, and inner peace. It's a call to turn adversity into strength, an invitation to a life well lived. 1. Mastery over emotions, the Stoic's shield. Stoicism teaches that while we cannot control external events, we can master our reactions. A legendary Stoic philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Imagine navigating life's tumultuous seas with a calm and steady mind. This isn't detachment, but a profound engagement with life, stripped of unnecessary emotional turbulence. 2. Resilience, the Stoic's armor. Life is fraught with challenges, yet Stoicism offers an armor of resilience. Seneca, a Stoic sage, eloquently stated, "Life is like a play. It's not the length but the excellence of the acting that matters." Stoicism isn't about enduring hardship with a grim face, but about transforming hardship into a catalyst for growth. It's about seeing obstacles as opportunities, not barriers. 3. Living according to nature, the Stoic's compass. Stoics believe in living in harmony with nature, both external and internal. Epictetus, a slave-turned-philosopher, taught that we should live according to what's natural for us. This means embracing our rationality, social nature, and capacity for virtue. It's not just about survival, but about thriving in alignment with the universe's fundamental laws. As we tread this path together, remember, Stoicism isn't a set of rules. It's a way of life. It's about finding strength in adversity, peace in chaos, and joy in the ordinary.